Hi everyone. You know, I like to carry a little bit of Ikaria with me no matter where I am, and to eat healthy, especially for breakfast, and to implement all the longevity foodways that are part of this incredible island and its lifestyle, its way of life. So I wanted to share my breakfast with you today because it's the perfect Mediterranean breakfast, and it's something anyone, anywhere can enjoy. You don't have to be on the island. I'm actually in my Athens apartment right now. And I just have a little bit of Greek yogurt, about half a container. You can use my Greek table sponsor, Meltemi Greek yogurt for that, plain vanilla, or whatever you like. I always try to incorporate fresh seasonal fruit, so I've got pomegranate today. I'm just going to pour that in here. I love pomegranate. It's packed with antioxidants and other good things. And a little bit of Ikaria, this gorgeous pine honey, which all I like is a teaspoon. It's great with the yogurt, and you get to lick the spoon.